Hello everyone! Do you like my background? Cause I like my background. Do you like my background? Cause I like my background. Do you like my background? Cause I like my background. Do you like my background? Cause I like my background. Do you love my background? Cause I love my background. It's another week. Just came out here to say hello. I've missed you so much. I hope you've missed us as well. I hope you've missed this garden. So this is not an update to the garden. This is a sweet potato harvest video. I'm so excited to show you how our first ever sweet potato harvest went down. I have been nervous actually for a while to harvest the sweet potatoes because I wasn't sure what's really happening down there. I had nightmares about ripping everything out and then nothing, no sweet potato, and then I'll be like, okay, maybe a few more weeks. So I think 7 months ish. I finally got the guts to harvest. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Oh my god, this is my first love, guys. Gardening, it is everything to me. It makes me so happy. And I just want to say thank you so much to everybody that's been watching our videos, everybody that has subscribed so far. We are on 28 subscribers. Thank you so much. Yeah, we are very happy that we get to share this love that we have for gardening with all of you. Like, it means a lot to us that you actually come out here. Let me just sit down and tight now. You just come out here and you really give us some love. We appreciate you so much. Please continue. I can see there's still a few of you that haven't subscribed yet. When I look at the analytics, we get a whole lot more views than we have subscribers. So please, it costs nothing. It costs absolutely nothing. So if you can be so kind and just hit that subscribe button, please. Hit that like button, please. And please watch until the end. I promise you, I'm not gonna give you boring content. I'll try my best not to give you boring content. God, I love my background. Remember these were the cabbages I showed you on that video, the 2022 corn harvest video. If you haven't watched it, please start there, and then you'll see what I mean. They were just babies, and now look how big they are now. I've got so many queens. Please please subscribe, please share with the others that might love gardening as a hobby. And we're doing this is Cape Town, guys. You can do it. If I can do it, so can you. There's no miracle to it. You just start. You choose one. You can choose one veggie. The easiest really is the spinach. The easiest to grow is the spinach. Just start there if you are thinking of starting a garden. It grows best now in spring, and then again you can try out spinach again around April. Yeah, but anyway, I just wanted to say thank you to all 28 of you who have subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate it. We love you. Please, and those who haven't subscribed as yet, yes, you, please consider subscribing. It costs you nothing. Please enjoy the sweet potato video coming up. Shine on me, shine on me, shine on me, shine
around to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me.
Yay, yay. Shama zamba. Shama damana manzi. Who is this? Oh my god. Wow. The first one. The first one. Yay.
We're having these phones. Ooh, another one.
It's 6 to 7 months. Yes.
Another one. Yo, deep. It's bigger than the last one. Oh, it's not bigger. It's not bigger. It's just longer.
This number 3.
Small ones. Eventually find a big one, Mom. Will eventually find
I have a feeling here that we have a big one.
Ooh. Oh. Oh no.
Oh.
Huh?
Hey.
Ah.
Hey.
Ah. Oh.
What do you know?
Wow. It is so big that it probably broke off. Wow.
What do you know?
Yo, I'm not a expert farmer. Yo.
Okay, let's continue here.
Another one.
Oh my god.
Another big one.
It's the mother of them all.
Yes.
Ish.
Getting a nice.
How's it looking?
Oh, getting a nice one, Mom.
Ish.
Yo.
Ish.
Nice farming.
Ish.
That's a big one. But it's not bigger than... Yo, it's bigger than the last one, actually. Wow. Yo. Ow, ow, my eyes.
Yo.
Mom, yo, why is it that big?
Yo, it looks like it stayed too long under there.
Yeah, it looks like a whole stick, Mom. A whole like, wizard stick or something.
Yo.
Uh-huh.
Gonna lay here on the grass.
Enjoying your time, Mom. Enjoying your time with the
Okay.
fruit trees.
Find the home at last.
Go.
So much, Mom. There's so much.
Still a lot to do. I don't think we're gonna finish harvesting today. There's more. Oh my god!
There's so much, Mom.
I'm so excited!
There's so much. Oh no. Yo.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oof, Mom.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Yo. Is it that big?
Walking down the street so many times.
Hey, we are exaggerating.
Every brick and stone could
We are big exaggerators.
Mom, we got small ones at the start. Mom, we got small ones. But now we're getting big ones, Mom. Finally.
Don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick.
Yes. You're just getting big balls of feature now.
I've seen many places where the beauty never ends.
something
Don't
here.
have to be chasing every
Another one,
dream
Lucy.
that I have.
The thing is, you never know
Oh,
if something is coming or not.
'cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, of all
Ah.
the magic places in the world, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm
Thank
coming
you.
home to you.
Thank you. The garden that keeps
Nature.
on giving.
Mother Nature,
This is the
Mom.
garden that keeps on giving. Thank you.
Is that hot?
no.
Yo!
Oh no. Oh no.
Yo, what the? That's the first time.
This is a pumpkin sweet potato.
Pumpkin sweet potato.
Pumpkin sweet potato.
That's the first time we've seen this.
Pumpkin sweet
Wait,
potato.
do it again, Mom. Do it again. I didn't see you. Didn't see you.
Huh?
Like, do it again.
Pumpkin sweet potato. See? Pumpkin shape. Pumpkin shape.
Sure.
This is now the new mother.
How can something grow that big? I think gain our viewers' attention.
Some are very deep. See, this one was still gonna be a good Solomon. Yo! Yo!
Ah!
Yo!
Aha!
Yeah! Yeah!
Aha!
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
You know your garden well, Mom. You
There's
know your
something.
garden well.
There's something.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, of course I know my garden. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, I thought it was me. Why was singing?
Look at my sweet potato. Go to the pile, Marilis, and show the pile. Show the pile.
I'm not sure I understand.
How? Why is he on?
Seriously?
That
Okay, Marilis. There's another one here. There's something happening here.
Ah!
There's something happening here.
Ah!
Something is happening here. Something is happening here. Something is happening. Oh my God, this is the happiest day of my life. Yay. Yay.
Whole power here.
Annelies, let's come see here. Wat gaan aan? Hier zo. Wat gaan aan hier zo? Hey, sweet potatoes got me speaking Afrikaans. Oh,
Another one! Another mother! Yeah! Ah! Ah! Yo!
and then I found an even bigger one. An even bigger.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Professional photographer. What do we have here? Professional photographer?
A bunch of sweet potatoes.
No, here. We've got one more. Wrong answer. Supposed to say we've got one more. See, they were still growing, Shem.
Yeah. Yo, mom. So we have to leave it longer next time, like 2 years. 2 years.
I
So.
know. Hey. This one.
It's big. It's big. No, mom, dig deeper. Dig deeper. So you must bring the code out out tomorrow. Wait, so no more, no more. Then what's the rest for? What's the rest of? What's the shape?
And show this one. I think we have something here.
Oh, it's big, mom.
Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And 'cause if you might mess it up, you're stronger than the others think. And 'cause if you might mess it up, go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause if you might mess it up,
Thank you so much for getting to this part of the video, which is the end. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course. Until the next one.